Good morning. Today we are going to create a table for summer camp. And so the first thing that we're going to do with your document once you open a brand new one is we're going to go to this and save this. So File, Save As. We're going to browse, go to the Student Share Drive, then click on High School 7 through 12, then find Mrs. Hoff's name. Then we're going to 9th grade computers, Microsoft Word, students 1819, and then I want you to click on the Word folder. Then in here you're going to click on the one that says Summer Camp Table. And as you can see, I've already started a document, so I'm actually going to replace that document and call it the same, Summer Mrs. Hoff. And I want you to call your summer and then your name, and then save it in this file. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create a table that is 8 columns and 10 rows. Remember, columns go up and down and rows go left to right. So we're going to go over here to the Insert. We're going to insert a table. We're going to click on that. Now, what we want to do is we want to go down here. Yesterday we were able to use this, but this only has 8 rows, and so we need 10 rows. So we're going to click on the Insert Table. And then over here, we're going to click on how many columns, and we need 8 columns. And we need number of rows, we need 10 rows. And yes, I believe that you can just type in 10 also. Okay, then we're going to click OK. And there is our table so far. Then the next part that you're going to do is you're going to type in all the information on the sheet that I give you. There is going to be a merge where you take this first row and you're going to take and highlight across, and then you're going to click, right click, merge cells, and then you're going to center this, which you do by going to the home, clicking on the center for the paragraph, and then you're going to type in there Summer Camp Agenda. I end up putting a little. And then you're going to put times here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You're going to put times going down this way, and then what the agenda is for. So you're going to fill out that whole deal. And then there's going to be some shading in there, which we discussed yesterday. I'll just mention again. So like for this box, it says times. So to shade that box, what you're going to do, notice I clicked out of it before going back. I'm going to click back on this box. And actually, if you see this little arrow here, it clicks the whole box. Then what we are going to do is you can click shading, the little fill bucket here. You're going to click on that, and you can put a gray in there, just like that. And that one fills it. So, and actually you're going to do this whole row across, so you can go ahead and shade how you need to in that case. All right, let me see if there's anything else that I need to see. We merged the top title cells and the canoeing cells. You do this by selecting the cells that you want to merge, and then you press that merge button under the table tab. This title here is going to be centered, which I already showed you how to do, and it does say that it needs to be 20 point in Franklin Gothic book. So we're going to go up here to our font section, click down the down arrow. We're going to look for Franklin Gothic book. Franklin Gothic book right there. We're going to click on that, and that changes that. And we need it to be 20 points. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to find 20 and click on that. And there is our title. All the other information should be 12-point Arial font, so all you have to do there is highlight all of those. And then as you saw, that just kind of clicked up with your right. You can click on here to do it, or you can go over here. So we're going to do Arial right here. And we also are going to do 12-point. So clicking 12-point in Arial. All right. Let me just check over here and see if I can do it just to make sure. It might be because I don't have any words in there right now. I have the one. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so then you're going to change the fill of the appropriate cells to actually, we're going to change them to orange. So it doesn't show that on your paper because I've got it printed in black and white, but we're going to put the shading of the color as orange. And then we also want to outline the cells in orange. So what we're going to do here is we're going to highlight all of these again. We're going to right click, border styles, and right here. Let's see if that works. Nope, that did not work. So, let me get out of that one. What we're actually going to do is go up here to our font, and we're going to go to borders right here. In the paragraph, we're going to go to borders, and we're going to click on here, the little down arrow for the borders, and you're going to go all the way down to this bottom where it says borders and shading. Then what you're going to do is you're going to select, of course, your style, which is this. And we want borders and not page border. The page border will do the whole outside of the page, and we don't want that. We just want the inside page. So borders there. You're going to click the style here, and then you're going to change the color to orange. Okay. See how it changed it for there? Now you'll need to do it for the rest of it. All right, good luck. Make sure you save it in the correct file.